Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafiz Wali Zaid, roll number 21 TE83 from Telecommunication Engineering Department UED Texla. Today we discuss adaptive filters and digital signal processing. Adaptive filters are sophisticated signal processing tools that dynamically adjust their parameters based on input data characteristics, making them particularly useful in scenarios where signals or environments are non-stationary or vary over time. Unlike traditional fixed filter, adaptive filters can automatically update their coefficients, optimizing their response to changing conditions to achieve desired outputs. Adaptive filters are a powerful signal processing tool that can automatically adjust their own parameters to optimize performance. They have a wide range of applications in fields like communication, audio, and image processing. This adaptability is achieved through algorithms like the least mean squares or recursive least squares, which continuously analyze input signals and adjust filter parameters accordingly. Types of adaptive filters: FIR filters, IIR filters, LMS filters. FIR filter FIR adaptive filters have a non-recursive structure, meaning they do not use feedback loops in their computation. They are characterized by a finite number of coefficients that are updated based on the input signal and desired response. The adaptation is typically achieved using algorithms like the least mean squares or recursive least squares. FIR filters are straightforward to implement and provide stable response, making them suitable for many applications including noise cancellation and equalization in communication systems. IIR filter, Infinite Impulse Response. IIR filters, unlike FIR filters, have a recursive structure where the output depends not only on the current input but also on previous outputs and inputs through feedback loops. This recursive nature allows them to achieve similar filtering characteristics with fewer coefficients compared to FIR filters, which can lead to more efficient implementations in terms of computational resources. However, IIR filters may be more challenging to design and control due to their potential for instability if not carefully managed. LMS filters, least mean squares. LMS is an algorithm used to adapt the coefficients of adaptive filters, both FIR and IIR filter. It operates by adjusting the filter coefficients in the direction of the gradient of the mean square error between the desired signal and the filter output. The simplicity and computational efficiency of LMS make it widely used in adaptive filtering applications where real-time adaptation to changing conditions is crucial, such as in adaptive noise cancellation, echo cancellation, and adaptive equalization. Applications of adaptive filters. Adaptive filters find a wide range of applications across various fields due to their ability to dynamically adjust to changing input conditions. Noise cancellation, removing unwanted background noise from audio signals. Noise cancellations are extensively used in noise cancellation systems to reduce unwanted noise from a desired signal. By adaptively adjusting filter coefficients based on the characteristics of the noise and the primary signal, adaptive filters can effectively suppress noise components, enhancing the clarity of the desired signal. Applications include active noise control in headphones and automotive cabins, noise reduction in telecommunications for clearer voice transmission, noise suppression in biomedical signals to improve diagnostic accuracy. The second one is channel equalization. In communication system, adaptive filters are employed for channel equalization to compensate for distortions introduced by communication channels. By adapting to channel conditions in real time, adaptive filters can mitigate intersimple interference, and improve the overall quality of transmitted data. Equalization of wireless communication channels to maintain signal integrity, compensation for multipath fading effects in mobile communication, correction of distortion in digital subscriber line transmission. The next one is beamforming. Adaptive filters are crucial in beamforming applications where multiple sensor signals are combined to enhance the reception or transmission of signals in a specific direction. By adaptively adjusting phase and amplitude weights, adaptive filters can steer the beam towards a desired direction while suppressing interference from other directions. Its applications: radar systems for target detection and tracking, wireless communication systems to improve signal reception and transmission, microphone arrays for direction sound capture in conference rooms in or outdoor environments. The next one is system identification. Adaptive filters are used in system identification to estimate the characteristics of an unknown system based on input-output data. By continuously updating parameters, adaptive filters can adapt to change in systems behavior over time, enabling effective modeling and control. Its applications are adaptive control system in industrial automation for process optimization, adaptive equalization in digital audio and video system to compensate for digital distortions, parameter estimation in biomedical systems for monitoring and diagnosis. How adaptive filters works. Input signal. The adaptive filter receives an input signal that needs to be proceed. This is the input signal that the adaptive filter receives as input. It could be a speech signal, an image data from sensors, etc. The input signal is usually denoted as x into n, where n is represent the discrete time index. Adaptation algorithm. This filter uses as an adaptation algorithm to continuously adjust its coefficients. This is to the head of adaptive filters. The adaptation algorithms adjust the filter coefficients iteratively based on the input signal x of n, the desired signal d of n, and the output signal y of n. The last one is output signal. This is the filtered signal produced by the adaptive filters. It is computed based on the current filter coefficients and the input signal. This filter produces an output signal that is optimized for the given applications. Advantages and disadvantages of adaptive filters. Adaptive filters offer several advantages and disadvantages depending on the applications and the specific implementations. Advantages: automatically adjust to changing conditions, high performance and versatility. Ability to adjust to changing environments. Adaptive filters can adjust their parameters in real time, allowing them to handle varying input signals and changing environments effectively. This capability is particularly useful in applications where the characteristics of the input signal may vary over the time. Noise reduction and signal enhancement. Adaptive filters can be used to reduce noise from signals or enhance desired components within a signal. This makes them valuable in applications such as speech enhancement, echo cancellation, and biomedical signal processing. The disadvantages of adaptive filters: computational complexity, potential for instability, and training time required. Some adaptive algorithms can be computationally intensive, requiring significant processing power and memory resources. This complexity can be a limitation in applications where real-time performance is critical or where hardware constraints are stringent. The performance of adaptive filters heavily relies on the convergence behavior of the adaptation algorithm. In certain cases, convergence may be slow or the filter may be struggle to adapt to highly dynamic or noisy environments, leading to suboptimal performance. Conclusions of adaptive filters. Emerging applications. Adaptive filters will continue to find new applications in areas like machine learning and neural networks. Improved algorithms. Research will lead to more efficient and robust adaptation algorithms. Hardware acceleration. Specialized hardware will enable faster and more energy efficient adaptive filtering. Adaptive filters represents a powerful tool in signal processing, offering the capability to dynamically adjust their parameters based on changing input conditions. This adaptability enables applications such as noise reduction, signal enhancement, and system identification to achieve improved performance compared to fixed filter. By continuously optimizing the filter coefficients through adaptation algorithms like LMS or RLS, adaptive filters can mitigate noise, enhance signal fidelity, and accommodate varying environmental conditions.